All right. The purpose of this video is to explain better what the finish schedule looks like. So if we zoom in here, you will see on the walls, we have the four walls, the north wall, south wall, east wall, and west wall. And they have this SF3, SF3, SF3. So that means that all of these four walls have the same finish. And what is SF3? Well, SF3 is a key, and the key would be here and under materials. So SF3 would be probably down here, okay? And SF3 says it's a Duroplex textured wall coating. So it's basically coated up a paint with texture on it, okay? And here's the number of the texture wall coating. Um, and then it's the manufacturer of the coating is Southwest Progressive Enterprise. So you're basically going to put in not a code anymore. So this is basically a key. You don't need to put the key anymore. You can just go directly and say, hey, okay, I wanted a textured wall. Okay, so you can copy the same brand, Duroplex textured wall coating, number CS14127004. And then you don't need to put in the Southwest Progressive Enterprise, but you can if you want to. And then that's going to be here. Here's the company that makes them, Progressive Enterprise, okay, out in Texas. So you don't need to indicate the manufacturer, but you can put in Duraplex textured wall coating, and then you can copy that number, okay. Yeah, instead of putting in a key SF3, SF3, okay. So same thing with the base. The base is a W7, WF5 for the north wall, south, east, and west. So what is WD? So for the base, you see WD here, WD 5 and 7. So WD7 is a stained hardwood veneer, uh, quarter sawn oak, and solid stock moldings, oak to bed. So that's it. That's basically what WD7 is. So this type of schedule, instead of putting directly the finish, because there's just a lot of rooms in this project, they opted to put a key and then they have a legend for the materials. Okay, so if you don't have a lot of rooms, you only have like less than 12 rooms or something like that, then you can put directly here that this is a textured wall coating, and then it's a Duraplex textured wall coating, and then you can actually just copy that on each one. So your row might be a little bit bigger, but that is what you're going to do. You're not going to use this key here. You can put in directly. Now I'm going to leave that up to you. If you want to use a key, then you can use a key, except that you're going to make your materials legend. Put your key here and describe what does SF3 mean. Okay, so that's basically how you're going to do your schedule. Okay, I'm going to give you the option to put directly the finish, or you can use a key, but you have to create a legend. Okay, you don't need to put the vendor list though. Okay, so good luck.